In this session, we are going to see second method of passing structure to function, that is passing the entire structure variable to function. That means we are going to pass the copy of structure to the function, getting, and then that copy will be collected in another structure variable. Okay, so this method is somewhat efficient than the first method, because in first method we were passing the structure to function by passing the individual members of structure, getting. So in that case, if structure is large, that means there are number of structure members, then in that case that method was inefficient, because it is difficult to manage those number of structure variable, those number of structure members, getting, if the structure size is large. Okay, so instead of first method you can go for structure, passing structure to function, getting, by passing the entire structure variable to function, getting. So second method is useful than the first method. Okay, so let us start with passing structure to function by passing the structure variable to function, by passing the entire structure variable to function. Okay, so I will create first structure student. Again I will take the same members. So I took 3 members and I have defined the student structure. So this is my structure definition. Now I will declare structure variable and I will read the values from user. So enter roll number, average, and name of student. Scanf already used. So based on the data type of member, this format specifier will be used. Then and variable name is yes dot member name number, then and variable name dot member name, and then yes dot name, because it is a character array. Now we are going to pass this yes structure variable to function, getting, we are going to pass this yes variable to the function for display. So declares display function. See, this is declaration, this is call, and this is definition. So we are going to pass structure variable, that is value of the structure variable, to display, and we are going to print those here, getting, inside display. Okay, now we are going to pass structure variable. So see, this is structure yes, that is structure variable yes. Now let us see the diagrammatical representation. Consider this is your yes, so it has 3 members. So first one is roll number, then second one is average, and third one is name, getting. And see, this entire one is your structure variable, getting. So this yes has 3 members. Okay, roll number, average, and name. So how to access roll number? Yes dot roll number, average yes dot avg, and yes dot name, getting. So consider user entered these values. So suppose roll number 12, then 78.9, and suppose name is ABCD, getting. Suppose these are the values entered by user, getting. Now what we are going to see do, we are going to pass yes. So see, this entire yes will be passed, this entire copy will be passed, getting. So to collect this yes copy, we must have another structure variable. So let us consider yes1 is another structure variable. Getting? But you know the rule. This is actual parameter, yes is actual parameter, and yes one is formal parameter. So whenever we are using the method of parameter passing, in that case the data type of yes and data type of yes1 should match. Okay, so data type of actual parameter and data type of formal parameter should match. Getting? So what is the data type of yes? See, data type of yes is struct student. So here also the data type of yes1 should be same, struct student. Getting? Data type of this should be same, struct student. Yes1 formal parameter is yes1. Getting? Now see, so the copy of yes will be sent to s1 or it will be pasted in s1. So see, s1 will be same as yes. So consider this is your, this is happening inside main, this is main function, this is display function. So consider this is yes1. So this is yes1, this is yes1. Consider its name is same because data type of yes and data type of yes1 is same, so same members will be there. So this value will be pasted there, this 12 value will be pasted there, 12, then 17.9, and then abcd. Getting? Abcd. So this will be done. But see, before main we have structure variable, before main we have structure, before main we have function declaration, that is void display, and inside this function declaration what we have done, we have declared structure variable, that is yes1. So whenever compiler see this particular statement, it can't understand, compiler can't understand what is yes1. Getting? Because data type of yes1 is struct student, but at this point we did not define this structure student. Getting? We have defined structure student inside main. So this structure definition should be before this function declaration. Getting? So this structure definition should be global. Getting? It should be globally defined. Getting? Because at this line we have defined s1 structure variable with its type, that is struct student. Getting? So this structure definition should be before this particular function declaration. Getting? So this is the change. Getting? This was not needed in first method. Getting? Okay, so please remember this, and now you can print those values, %d, %f, and %s. And see, values are present in s1 dot roll number, s1 dot avg, and s1 dot name. So s1 dot s1 dot avg and s1 dot. So let us see the output. Your display will display those values, same values, 12, 78.9, and abcd. So that's all from my side. So this is second method of passing structure to function by passing the structure variable to function. So here we are passing the copy of